What's the meaning of autohypnosis? Autohypnosis. Autohypnosis.
Autohypnosis. Autohypnosis. Autohypnosis is the act of inducing a state of hypnosis on oneself. This can be achieved through various techniques such as meditation, relaxation, or visualization. In this state, the individual is highly suggestible and open to positive affirmations or suggestions for self-improvement. The benefits of autohypnosis include stress relief, improved focus and concentration, increased motivation, and enhanced creativity. However, it is important to note that autohypnosis should only be practiced by individuals who are mentally stable and have a good understanding of the technique.